If you're wondering how you can make your pictures look better by blurring the background, stay tuned because I'm gonna tell you how you can make your picture look instead of this, like this. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can blur the background of your photos using your iPhone. You can do this with the pictures that you have already taken with your iPhone, but they need to be taken as a portrait. And this is a free way that you can do it on your iPhone. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that I'm gonna do is go to my photos and I'm gonna choose a photo that it was taken as a portrait mode. So I'm gonna go and tap on this photo right here that it was taken as a portrait, and you can see that it was taken as a portrait because it's here you can see it says portrait, and then you just edit it, click on edit, and as you can see here on F16 is the depth that you had on the background. So if you want to blur the background, as you can see it's already blurred, if you change this to 16 it will unblur it, but once that you want to edit it, it will make your background blurred, and my little boy and his toy is still very crisp and vivid. So this is the way that you can blur a picture that was already taken with your iPhone. If you have any questions or suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below. If you're interested in tutorials like these that will help you to improve either your designs, your pictures, just to learn more things that you can do with your devices, consider subscribing to my channel. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to click on the like button and on the subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you the next time. Bye bye.